I actually build a framework for this, which I share with my clients on one-to-one mentoring calls I have. So basically, I divide, the growth of the company into stages. When you are below 7 figures, you're making less, between zero, obviously, and $80,000 a month. Right, and the second stage is from 80,000 to above, like $500,000. It's the next stage. Above that, you're gonna be like an 8-figure, almost an 8-figure seller and more. But that's so. In the first stage, basically, when you're just starting, when you're below 7 figures, the problem is that you don't know what you're doing most of the times. So the objective is to find the right niche and products to sell, and increasing sales by dominating one niche. What I mean by that is that the strategy that I suggest for people to go from 0 to 7 figures is to stay laser focused on one brand, one category, one customer avatar, one supplier, and one channel. By one channel, I mean just Amazon. Okay, so basically, how can you do that? You can create multiple variations of the same product. You can create upsells. So for example, more of the same product. If there's a pack of 1, you can build a pack of 2, a pack of 4, and so on. Create cross sells, so complementary products that can be sold together with your current product. Or you can sell in addition product categories within the same niche. Okay, so just keep in mind you should stay within one niche. Or you can create virtual bundles, for example, and also expand in other Amazon marketplaces. Don't just add new channels, but you can easily expand in other marketplaces. Like if you're starting from Canada, you can easily expand in if you're starting from the US, you can easily expand in Canada, for example, right? So that's kind of an easy win. So I think, when you're doing this right, if you focus on one brand, one category, one customer avatar, you start to become an expert in that. You start creating lots of different variations of the same products. You start dominating that niche. And that, I would say, really, it's just enough to take you to the 7-figure level. Once you are in the 7-figure level, then, so we're talking about scaling up even further. And that's where you start, building the brand. Okay, you need to put a lot more focus on building the brand. Okay, before you were just selling products. Obviously you need to still focus on the brand, but now it's time to really tweak everything in order to make your brand really be like a household brand, the one that you see in the supermarkets, in television, and so on. So you can now then start venturing in new categories. You can so we're talking about expanding, right? So building the brand, new categories, external traffic, use leverage, like for example, building a team, or raising money, getting external capital from, there are lots of institutions that can give you money, banks, but not just banks, in order to grow. Then you can use leverage as systems, or media, like paid media, external traffic. We said like social media traffic, Google, and so on. And then you can expand in multiple channels, like Shopify or Walmart or eBay. Okay, so you can see the transition. First, in order to get to 7 figures, you just need to stay on Amazon. Think about one product, one category, one customer avatar. Then the transition, once you reach 7 figures, to scale even further, it will be to build a brand, to include multiple streams of traffic, not just Amazon, and building the team, and expanding in other channels, not just Amazon, but other channels, and venturing in other categories, so that you look like a real solid brand that has products in several categories that help each other grow. So that's kind of my framework to scale the business, like from 0 to multiple 7 figures.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.